However, a new paper suggests Oumuamua may be made of ice, like a comet, just disguised with a protective crust. According to Professor Alan Fitzsimmons from the Queen's University, Belfast, Northern Ireland, there is much more icy stuff than rocky stuff in the solar system, making it more likely for emissaries from other systems to also be icy if other solar systems evolved in the same way. In addition, the mass of small icy bodies at the outermost reaches of the solar system, known as the Oort cloud, has lost objects over billions of years due to gravitational disruption from other stars. Given that this object passed relatively close to our Sun as it was traveling through our solar system, one would expect any ices on the surface to basically be heated, and it should behave like a comet, Fitzsimmons said. They concluded that the object must be rocky in nature, an asteroid. However, when Fitzsimmons and his colleagues examined data on the surface of the object more closely, they found it doesn't look like a typical asteroid either. We didn't see any signs of typical spectroscopic signatures that you would expect from the minerals on the surface of an asteroid we see in our solar system, Fitzsimmons said. That kind of got our heads scratching. If the object had, originally at least, ice in it, what's happened to it? Fitzsimmons and his colleagues looked at older studies and laboratory experiments that tried to find out what happens to icy bodies, such as comets, that are exposed for a long time to energetic particles and cosmic rays. And that's what we saw in our spectra. The astronomers ran a series of computer experiments to model the behavior of the now icy Oumuamua. They found that if the object's crust was only 20 inches (50 centimeters) thick, it would protect the ice at the object's core from the heat of the sun, thus preventing it from displaying the telltale signs of gas and dust leaving a comet. She found staggering similarities. We've discovered that this is a planetesimal with a well-baked crust that looks a lot like the tiniest worlds in the outer regions of our solar system, Bannister said in a statement. Similar objects likely make it into the solar system fairly regularly, the astronomers said, but they are usually too faint to spot with current telescopes. As telescope technology advances, Fitzsimmons said he expects that astronomers in the not-so-distant future will be able to study such interlopers perhaps every year. That's going to be an incredibly powerful survey machine. When that starts operating in the first half of the next decade, that will have a much better chance of detecting these objects in the solar system than the current facilities that we have.